Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed with health. And today, with the grace of Allah Almighty, we will do the book activities from book page number 3 and 4. Let's try to understand and how to solve them. We will learn in this lecture. For solving the book activities, we have to learn some rules. The very first rule that is about the present simple. How to use the present simple. Present simple is used to talk about an action that takes place in the present, used for habits, daily routine, repeated actions and events. Present simple is used for habits, daily routine and repeated actions and events. When we talk about habits, daily routine, repeated actions and events, it means we are using the simple present. Let's see the sentence structure. The sentence structure will in this form: subject, present form of verb, then object. Present form is also called first form of verb. Here is an example: they go for a walk daily in the morning. There is a subject, present form. Which is the present form in this sentence? Go. We have the three forms of the verb. Here is the word go. Go, went and gone. Go, went and gone. Go is the first form of verb. When we use subject, then first form of verb, then it means we are using the simple present tense. जब हम बात कर रहे हो हैबिट्स की, डेली रूटीन की या रिपीटेड एक्शंस एंड इवेंट्स की, तो इसका मतलब है कि हम बात कर रहे हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट की, यानी कि जब हम प्रेजेंट टाइम यानी मौजूदा टाइम में बात कर रहे हो हैबिट्स की, डेली रूटीन की और रिपीटेड एक्शंस और इवेंट्स की, इसका मतलब है कि हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सिंपल प्रेजेंट को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट, present form of verb, then object. Object is not compulsory. Here is the example: they go for a walk daily in the morning. Example से ज़ाहिर है सब्जेक्ट क्या है? doer of an action, काम करने वाला. they go for a walk daily in the morning. present form यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम go की. go, went and gone. But we will use the present form. It means we will use the first form of verb in the simple present. Then simple past. Simple past is used for previous actions or events or action happened in the past. हम simple past को previous actions के लिए, events के लिए या काम के लिए जो past में गुजरे हुए वक्त में हो चुके हों उसके लिए, यानी कि उसके लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सिंपल पास्ट हम प्रीवियस एक्शंस, इवेंट्स और एक्शंस हैपन इन द पास्ट के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वी यूज़ द सिंपल पास्ट फॉर प्रीवियस एक्शंस, इवेंट्स एंड एक्शंस हैपन इन द पास्ट. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्रीवियस एक्शंस, इवेंट्स एंड एक्शन हैपन इन द पास्ट, इट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग द सिंपल पास्ट. Let's see the sentence structure. Subject, past form of verb, then object. What's the difference between simple present and simple past? In simple present we use the present form, and in simple past we will use the second form of verb. In simple present we use the present form or first form, and in simple past we will use the past form or second form of verb. Let's see the example that will make our concept very clear. They went for a walk yesterday. In the simple present we use the go. In simple past we use the went. Went is the second form of the go. Went is the past form of the go. Then we will use the simple future. Simple future is used for events and tasks or what will happen in after the present time. Dear students, simple future is used for coming events and tasks or what will happen after the present time. सिंपल फ्यूचर को हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं आने वाले इवेंट्स के लिए, टास्क के लिए या ऐसे कामों के लिए जो मौजूदा वक्त के बाद होगा. इट मीन्स सिंपल फ्यूचर इज़ यूज फॉर कमिंग इवेंट्स, कमिंग एक्शंस, कमिंग टास्क. How to make the simple future, how to recognize the simple future. In simple future, in the beginning subject, then will shall is the helping verb. Then present form of verb, we'll use the present form of verb with the will shall. Then object is not compulsory. They will go for a walk tomorrow. They will go for a walk tomorrow. Will is a helping verb and go is a present form of verb. I repeat again. In simple present we use the first form, present form. In the simple past we use the second form or past form, and in the simple future we use the will shall with the present form of verb. सिंपल प्रेजेंट में हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ या प्रेजेंट फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल पास्ट में हम वर्ब की पास्ट फॉर्म या सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल फ्यूचर में हम विल शैल को ऐड करते हैं और साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म या प्रेजेंट फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ वी विल मूव अहेड एंड वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व द बुक एक्टिविटीज़ नंबर from book page number 3. Here are some blanks that present, past and future. They go for a walk daily in the morning. Same, it's a present. They went for a walk yesterday. Yes, it's a past. They will go for a walk tomorrow. Yes, it's a future. Okay, in the first sentence we can see that use of present form go. In the second sentence, use of past form, second form, it means it's a past tense. In the third sentence we can see that will with the go. Will is the helping verb and go is the present form of verb, and it's a future. Here some blanks in which we will use the correct form of the verb. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb. They dashed their house last month. It means last month shows that it's a last month. The word last month shows that it's a sentence of past. It means we will use the past form of the build. They built their house. Built, second form, and we will use the second form of built, BUILT. Yes. What will you dash for me from Karachi? What you will bring for me from Karachi? It means the word will shows that it's a future tense, and in the future tense we use the first form of the verb, present form of the verb. What will you bring for me from Karachi? Next one is did you dash of a plan for a picnic. Did is the second form of the do. Did you think of a plan for a picnic? Next one is she. She dashed the trophy every year. Every year, the word every year shows that it's an repeated action. It's an repeated the word every year shows that it's a repeated action. She wins a trophy. She wins a trophy every year. Next one, Ali dashed to bring the books yesterday. The word yesterday means previous day, guzra hua waqt. It means we will use the past form of the verb here. Forget. Ali forgot to bring the books yesterday. Here are some forms of verb that will help us to solve the book activities. First one is build, bring, think, win, forget, take, rise, do, leave, buy, prepare. This is the present form, and in the past form we have the built, brought, thought, won, forgot, took, rose, did, left, bought, prepared. And the third column shows the past participle of the present form of verbs. Let's move ahead. Change the following into present. When you open the book page number 3, you will see that some sentences. Change the following into present. It means the sentences which are mentioned are not in the present form. He took tea in a hurry. He took tea in a hurry. In present form, we will use first form of verb. Took is the second form, and we will use the takes. He takes tea in a hurry. The sun rose in the east. The sun rose in the east. Rose is the second form of rise. We will use the here present form. What's the present form of the rose? Rise. The sun rises in the east. Second one is past. In the past, we use the second form of the verb. What does he open his shop? When does he open his shop? It means we will change the word does with the did. Do, did, and done. Does is the first form, and did is the second form. And here we will use the word did. When did he open his shop? Ali leaves home at 5 o'clock. Ali leaves home at 5 o'clock. It means Ali घर से 5 बजे निकलता है. Leaves, the word leave shows that it's a present form. The word leave shows that it's a present form, and here we will use the second form. Ali left home at 5 o'clock. Next one will be the future. They buy very cheap things. Buy is the first form. We will use the helping verb here to make this sentence into future. They will buy very cheap things. My mother prepared breakfast for me. My mother prepared breakfast for me. It means dear students, this is the solution of the present, past and future of the book activities, page number 4. Dear students, first you will make your own effort. After that, then you will check or compare with the solution of these sentences. Dear students, hope you will be able to understand the lecture of today lecture easily, and you will make good effort. I hope. If you have the problem, you may comment to me and I will reply for that. Hope you will be able to understand. Thank you.